So we're just going to wait for it to generate and I'm going to bring it back to you. So as you can see on the left-hand side, now you have your prompts generated. So you have four prompts, this, and this. Now you can see the vibrant vibe from it. It looks pretty cool, right? So I'm going to bring this one over here just to see how it looks. And look at that. And now if we increase its size, that's the best part about creating an image through AI. You never lose its quality as like even if you make it big. So look at that. City in the bag, it seems retro, gives a very vibrant vibe. Now, obviously, the faces of the people aren't the greatest. Now, the reason for that is, because AI doesn't really capture a real life person's face very well. But yeah, you get the main vibe of it. And you get four variants of it. Plus, you can also change its style from, the style section. So let's say I want it to be neon and I'm going to click on generate it again. So let's say you're trying to make a collage, okay? So just gonna keep it like this, and I'm just gonna increase its size a bit. There we go. So now you can pretty easily create a collage with the other pictures as well. So look at that.